How can you request someone to join your TikTok live? Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you how you can request someone to join your TikTok live. So without any further ado, let's get started. So after opening your TikTok application, go to your search bar and type in live. Here you can swipe until you find the live option and then you can open up any live that you want to. Then when the live starts, you can see an option there. It's a pink and blue icon on the bottom. Here you can press it and the request to join as a guest will open up. And as you can see, it says here that live videos are public. Your followers may be notified and a recording of the live will be available to the creator. Both you and the creator will get rewards if you become popular. You can press the request button after you've decided that you want to join the live, and once you're allowed access by the creator, you will be allowed to join in on the live, and you can leave it at any time you want as well. And there you go, that is how you request someone to join TikTok live. Want to see more videos like this one? Please consider subscribing to the channel.